Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a few things. I am going to show you the things that I bought for my mom's traveler's notebook, the one I showed you a few videos back. I'm going to put all my inserts into my new traveler's notebook from Mystic's Little Gifts in sand. It's a beaut. And then I'm going to do a quick plan with me for this upcoming week. So stay tuned because we got a lot to do, all right? So I made a few purchases for my mom because, as I told you before, she fell down the rabbit hole. And so I had to get her a little Luna knitting die cut. And then while I was on Shine Sticker Studio, I decided to get a couple more pocket TN kits because I have the weeks versions of these, but I thought I can't get over the cuteness of the pocket decoration. So I figured with both of them, I could get at least 2 or 3 weeks of decoration out of these kits because it would make them last longer. So I got the coordinating apple pocket kit. Those are the 2 Christmas ones that I had gotten before. And then I got another kind of Halloween-y one that goes with one of the one of the weeks kits that I had gotten. See, those 2 match, and I figure with all those stickers, I can get a lot of mileage out of that. So, and then the other fall one is not the same, but there's a few that I think I can use to make the decorations last longer. And then that little Halloween one, I got another pocket version that matches that one. All the things, guys. And then I randomly am picking out some washi tape because this week I just am deciding to go with a purple and yellow theme because it is homecoming week for my kids' elementary school, and that's their school colors. So that's what I was going to plan. So I was trying to find some yellow and purple washi tape. That was the freebie that I got with my little 2 pocket kits and my Luna die cut. So cute. Oh, there's a new one that just came out that I must have. And then this is the order from Rose Colored Daze. I got my mom that really pretty rose gold and like crystal pen. And then I had just ordered the adhesive pocket, but she always sends these really pretty like acetate gold foiled calendars for the upcoming month. And that's the little pocket that I got her that she could stick on one of her dashboards. And then she usually sends like a couple overlay stickers. And then these are the 2 papers that I got her. These were all in the sale or last chance section on the Rose Colored Daze website. I'll link that shop below. But that vellum is a really pretty like gold dot, and then this is so pretty. It's like autumn flowers. I just thought it would look so pretty with some of the papers that she had in her setup, and she was kind of wanting some more vellum because she's crazy now. And that's what I got for her. And it was not expensive because it was all on sale. Or that's my justification. And so here is my little pocket TN in sand with pink elastics, and I'm putting all of my little inserts in. First is my monthly calendar, and then my weekly calendar, and then third is my it's my daily pages, but I also have jump banded in the middle my mood tracker. So those 2 are jump banded, and they each have their own vellum. And then that all goes inside a dashboard. So all of these printables are Annie plans, and I absolutely love them. So that goes inside one dashboard. And you guys, I've gotten questions about like, what are these dashboards? It's useless. It's all decoration. It's just to be extra and to make you happy. Those are my 2 kids inserts, and they each have their own little mini dashboard, and they go inside that big dashboard. And then this is my expenses and passwords that are jump banded, and they go in one dashboard. That was a homemade one from, the pocket from Dollar Tree. And then that little purple ruler my daughter gave me, I don't know where she had it from, but it makes the perfect size little squares in my daily to-do lists, and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna be really sad if it breaks, and it probably will, because it was like a little cheapy thing from probably like I don't even know. Do you hear the geese honking? I'm in a parking lot doing this voiceover, and there's a bunch of honking geese around me. And then my last two that I had in there before were my folder and my notebook. And then these two new inserts are ones that I made that I wanted to put in. I made a cleaning zones one, and a Fox and Pip collab with Annie Plans Printables was that bow TN looking one. And so I jump band these together and put them in one dashboard. And I like the cleaning zones, and then on that blank one I want to make like kind of schedules for each day, sort of like the perfect day, like on which days I would do like what cleaning and whatever. So I haven't filled those out yet, but I plan to do it in like a friction pen or something, so that I can, you know, modify it when need be. So some like ideal schedules are what I want to put in that printable. And then this printable was a Grumpy Bear collab with Annie Plans Printables, and it's so cute, and I wanted to keep work information in there, like my CE hours and notes from, you know, CE meetings and events and stuff like that. I just thought that would be handy to put in there. And then I do stick in my folder that I got at Michael's. That's the pocket size folder that they sell for their pocket size traveler's notebooks. And then I jump banded the notebook with its dashboard along in there. So now we know something about me. 8 strings isn't enough. I'm a beast. I am an absolute effing beast, you guys. So look at that thing. I love it so much. I love it so much. So there it is. I've got all my inserts, and I stuck some things in my front pocket. Of course, my Sassy Squatch patch thing that I got from Michael's, and then a picture of my kids and I sledding. And that's it for now. In the back pocket, I stuck my Willa Wallaco sticky notes. But now on to planning this week. It's going to be a little bit more simple than a kit, because like I said, it's my kids' homecoming week at school. So I decided to do like a purple yellowy theme, and so I just picked some washi tape. This yellow chevron is probably from a Michael's, the 33-cent bin, I think, and put that in there. And then this looks more purple in person. In the video it looks kind of fuchsia, but it's sort of like a more purpley. Not that you really care. I'm sure you're sitting there thinking, that's not purple enough. I don't know what she's thinking. Well, maybe some of you are. But at any rate. And then I'm just writing the dates up top. And if you guys are new to my channel, my little pocket TN is my weeks, is where I put just my like timed appointments that, you know, throughout the week. And I use my monthly calendar that you can see is being held open with my little pen case to consult what I need to put on my weeks. And all those little purple and yellow dots are from a 2-year-old planner sticker kit from the Michael's Dollar Spot. And so I just pulled out the purple and yellow ones, and I'm putting those in there to mark things. This is a random week, you guys. It doesn't really look cute. It's not my favorite, but it's purple and yellow, and we're still in this in-between time. It's not exactly, well, today is the first day of fall, but it doesn't feel like fall. So I think next week I'm going to break into some fall kits, but for this week I thought I'd just, just wing it. And so I'm using the dots, and writing in, ballet, karate, that Michael is off work, and that we have dance on Thursday night, and let's see, tumbling on Sunday, and that Wednesday is an early out, and that popcorn sales are on Sunday again. And all the things you do when you got kiddos to try and keep up with them. And then I stuck in this little this week, I think it says this week sticker, also from that Target kit. And then these stickers are actually Dollar Tree planning stickers that are from maybe 2 years ago. They might be 2017. And I'm just writing what the theme of every day is, because when you have elementary school students, it's a homecoming week is a thing, and they have like pajama day and hat day and like words day and spirit day and everything. So I'm trying to remind myself what every day is so that they don't go dressed in the wrong thing on the wrong day. And then those are also Dollar Tree planner stickers, and I just picked the purple ones. This is all just random purple and yellow, and like I said, not my fave, but we're doing it. And then those 2 days are rather blank, so I put in just finish your to-do list stickers. And then these little boxes are leftover Erin Condren boxes from an old Erin Condren planner. So I just put those down the day. And I'm going to make myself hopefully do a bunch of stuff. And then these were planner stickers from Michael's from a long time ago. So I put the purple cleaning bottle and the purple hamper. And basically just trying to pick the purple and yellow things. Now I'm wishing that washi tape looked much more purple than it does. So, but anyways, that's life, right? Oh, I guess it does look very pink, doesn't it? Well, whatever. There's my week. There is this week, and then there is my little tab. That's it, you guys. I hope you have a great, productive week, and that you find a little happiness in this week, maybe from your planner, hopefully from your family and friends, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.